I'm sure you've seen different videos or different people talking about how to learn, how not to learn, what not to learn. Some people have even told you that learning SQL, Power BI, and all these tools will not help you in 2026 or in the coming years because AI is replacing everything. Well, the truth is, yes, there is the rise or the surge of AI everywhere, but artificial intelligence is meant to power your skill and not to replace human beings entirely. You know what will replace BI developers that doesn't know how to use AI tools? It is BI developers that knows how to use them. So I'm starting a new series that will help you to use Power BI correctly with AI tools. We know that Microsoft has Copilot that has been integrated into all their tools. You have Excel and Power BI, but also in the web search, it helps you to search better on Google. So what we need is not just to throw away these tools, because we definitely still need these tools, and the stats are saying BI jobs are not going away anytime soon. Employers just want BI developers that can properly use these AI tools to help improve reporting, dashboarding, and whatever role you're being assigned to do. Now, another extreme is exposing your data or your organization data to large language models, all in the name of wanting to use AI. There is the right way to use it and the way you shouldn't use it. I am creating this new Power BI series to help you learn Power BI better. If you're an absolute beginner, you can also learn from this because I will be doing a short beginner friendly series before we go into the bigger part so everyone can follow along. But it is going to help you to know how to integrate using AI for your measures, for your dashboard ideas, for answering business questions, what to do, time intelligence, and etc. But the goal is not just to use AI, the goal is to use it correctly. And that is the new trend, knowing exactly how to use AI. So, if you want to know how to use Power BI and artificial intelligence correctly in 2026, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that when I put up a new video, you would be reminded that, okay, there's a new video and it is time to learn. I can't wait to start. And if you have any questions or if you're battling any fear about artificial intelligence and business intelligence, let me know in the comments. Or what is your biggest fear? What is your biggest concern? Put it in the comments and I will be reading and answering to them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.